Hola, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Kirsty Lowe, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the best clay face mask for oily and acne prone skin. Now if you're new to my channel, I have really oily skin with cystic acne, so I always like to use a clay face mask at least once or twice a week just to clean out the pores and to improve my skin texture, and in doing so it's made such a big difference on my oily skin. So if you want to know what the best clay face masks are, then please keep watching. The first face mask that I'm going to show you is this Kiehls Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. Absolutely love this face mask. It deep cleanses my pores without stripping the skin, and it isn't drying thanks to the aloe vera that's in this face mask, so it hydrates and also calms down any irritated skin. It's really good for acne prone skin. If you have inflammation, redness, this face mask will instantly calm and soothe your skin. So the Amazonian white clay is the superstar ingredient of this face mask. It's super rich in minerals and it helps to absorb all of the nasty gunk that's in your pores. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And you can tell how much I love this product because it's empty, or nearly empty. So it is quite a thick mask, so once you do apply it, you can really feel it working onto your skin. Dives deep into your pores and just cleans out all your pores, removes all the toxins, the dirt, the oil, all the nasty gunk that's deep within your pores. It just removes all that and it leaves my skin feeling really clean. It's a bit like a skin detox when I apply this face mask. This is like my best friend for my oily skin. Now this wouldn't be a best clay face mask video without featuring this bad boy here. It's the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, and it's described as the world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing, and it's 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. I mean, look at the size of this giant tub. Just show you, so it's like fresh from the volcanic mountains. Look at that. So that's what it looks like a fine soft texture, and it forms like a clay paste once you mix it in with water or apple cider vinegar, and it's one of the most popular beauty products on the internet. I mean, you only have to Google this and straight away you'll see thousands and thousands of 5-star reviews. I got this from Amazon and I think it was only about £9, so it's extremely affordable, and the fact that you get such a large tub, it's like a giant tub of 100% bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is a really powerful type of clay. That's why it's described here as the world's most powerful facial. With bentonite clay, it extracts and it just cleans out all your pores. With this, for the best results, I like to mix it in with apple cider vinegar. However, if you do have a bit more sensitive skin, then just try and mix it in with water and then see how you get on from that. And you could always build it up to using it with apple cider vinegar when your skin is a bit more tolerant to that. And once you've mixed this in with either water or apple cider vinegar and created that clay paste, you apply it onto your full face, and that is when you're going to start feeling this pulsating sensation. I like to describe it as like heartbeat. You can really feel it, and that's when you know that the mask is working and it's going deep down into your pores. And after using this clay mask, my skin's become a lot softer and my texture's a lot more evened out, because usually I get texture, especially on my cheek area with my acne breakouts and that, but this really helps to calm it down, and any inflammation that I have on my skin, it looks less aggressive on my face. So less redness, less inflammation, and just giving me more clearer, smoother skin. That's why this clay mask just works like an absolute dream. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And the next clay face mask that I'm going to show you is this GlamGlow Supermud Clearing Treatment Mask. Now, if you like me and you've searched forever for a face mask that seriously makes a difference on oily and acne prone skin, then you have to try this Supermud mask. Even on my stubborn cystic hormonal acne, it's really, really effective. So what exactly makes this Supermud mask so effective, even on the most stubborn types of acne prone skin? Well, firstly, there's charcoal in this mud mask, and it's called Activated X charcoal, and that helps to lift out all the dirt, all the toxins, all the excess oil from your deepest, most toughest pores. All right, so let's get into the juicy ingredients that's in this mud mask. There's a super blend of 6 different types of acid in this, including glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, you know, all the good stuff, the AHAs and BHAs. That's all that you need to know. It's really, really good stuff for your skin. And there's small chunks of charcoal in this mask, so when you apply it, that helps to exfoliate your skin, and also when you wash it off, that also helps to exfoliate your skin. So it's a dark grey colour, and it has a really strong smell to it. The best way I could describe this is like cough medicine, like really strong smell, like cough medicine. When you apply this Supermud mask, it does tingle on your skin for the first few minutes, so just bear with it. That just goes to show that it is working really, really hard on your skin. Now, this Supermud mask is a bit more pricier than most clay face masks, but you know what? It's completely worth it. The higher price is justified by the higher quality ingredients. Like I said, there's a Super 6 acid blend. All these ingredients, it's quality and it's effective. It's even effective on my stubborn cystic acne. That's how good it is. And the next clay face mask I'm going to show you is the Inkey Kaolin clay mask. It's really gentle and it's non-drying, so you can use it quite regularly without drying your skin out. So the main ingredient in this face mask is kaolin clay. Now, out of all of the face masks that I'm showing you today, kaolin clay is the most gentle and mild type of clay. So if you have really sensitive skin, then maybe try this one first and just see how you get on. And when you apply it on, it's a smooth texture and it goes on really well. It has no fragrance in this face mask as well, which is what I love, because whenever I see products that has no fragrance, I'm down for that. And with the kaolin clay, it doesn't absorb as much oil as the other face masks that I've showed you. And this clay mask isn't just for your face. You can use it on other areas of your body as well. For example, your neck, your back. If you have any breakouts going on there, then just apply this mask on. It instantly absorbs oil and it reduces your blackheads as well, just a little bit. And it leaves my pores feeling really clean. And for the price of this, it's only £5, so you really can't go wrong with this mask. So just go out and grab yourself one of these clay masks now. And the next clay face mask I'm going to show you is this Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. This mask makes my pores look so much smaller. It gives me a really deep pore cleanse. I feel like this is the one that has really made a difference on my blackheads. It's really made my blackheads less visible. Even after the first use, I looked in the mirror and I was like, whoa, where's my blackheads gone? And this is coming from someone that has a lot of blackheads. And when I say I have a lot, I mean I've got a lot. Main ingredients in this clay mask is active bamboo charcoal that helps to lift out all the impurities in your skin and to unclog your pores. So it acts a bit like a magnet, just drawing out all the bad stuff that's deep down in your pores. And then the white china clay that's in this mask will then absorb all of the toxins and the excess oil, the sebum that is on the surface of your skin. Oh, and by the way, with this face mask, when you apply it on, it's this color, and even after it's dried, it still remains the same color. But you'll know once this face mask is dried, because your skin just becomes quite rock solid and stiff and you can hardly like move your mouth, and that's when it's time to be washed off. So it doesn't really say for how long to leave it on for, but once you do feel it hardening up on your skin, that's when you know it's time to wash it off. And my skin's left feeling really smooth like baby skin, and it reduces redness as well. So it's really good if you have inflammation, redness on your skin and acne prone skin, that will instantly calm it down. So there you have it, guys. These are the best clay face masks for oily and acne prone skin. So I hope you'll find this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. And let me know down in the comments below which mask do you want to try, or which one did you like. And if you've got any recommendations for me, then just pop it down in the comments below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!